Yeah, because they're 100% of the future. Frederick Douglass, which is one of my favorite black people of all time, he said, it's much easier to create strong children than it is to repair broken men. So black people do not create, we ignore creating strong children. But we focus on repairing broken men. That's why we run to the convict nigga when he get out of prison. That's why we volunteer with the old young nigga. So we don't focus on first grade, second grade, third grade. We don't even focus on the baby that's being born. Bitch, have you went and seen the doctor? Bitch, you been pregnant 3 months. You ain't taking your prenatal care? So the reason why we behind, homie, is because our women don't have prenatal care when they get pregnant. Not only do they don't have prenatal care, when the baby born, the environment that the baby born into, we've been fighting the bitch for the whole 9 months. Then when the baby born, we not saying, baby, you ain't gonna breastfeed the baby. We want to start back getting the whole house so we can go back to fucking freaking and make another baby again. So nigga, those conditions of what our children are being born in, we ignore.